Divisions natin. Alam mo yun, sobrang interesting na talaga.
Engyo is ahead of the pack. B-Boy puts it in +1.
B-Boy Engyo sa open court sa Delph. You know what's
Report, I got lost already because they got lost too.
Medyo challenging talaga yun sa Delph. Talaga, it ruins your focus. Sa tingin ko, sa Santo Tomas sila
Santo Tomas
maybe sa Santo Tomas.
Medyo malayo na yun.
Malayo na nga talaga.
Boundary na yun ha. Umabot ka na ng...
Mas talunin ka na from the outside. So, because that will give you a more, at least chance na magkaroon ng manalo. Pero that points per game.
Sumido knocks down the jumper. Egalo inside. Kenneth Egalo.
And this guy, you know, plays atin sa MPBL. I mean, is alam mo yun, two-way player. Can play the 3, can play the 4, can run.
Egalo. Pag nakuha niya yung conditioning niya, laking bagay din yun. And here he is leading the break. Engyo, finger roll.
2 years ago siya, Delph. Alam mo na yun.
Engyo in the air. That's blocked. Ryusei Koga is in the game.
Along. Etong si Tumalip also that played really well in their game against pinili pa lang maglaro sa akin. Yeah, this guy still continues to play well. Itong si Tumalip.
On the three-pointer. It's now a 14-point lead.
You know, Davao Occidental.
J.R. Sumido continues to play well.
In terms of scoring, averaging 20.7 points per game sa Delph.
Baila underneath.
Yeah, that one.
Baila. Koga wide open for 3.
That's open good for Yusuf. Quarter, 25. So, parang on the way na naman to sa 100+ points.
Inside, Baila continues. Ryusei Koga. Kurt Lohera for 3. Yes!
Again, losing by hairline, winning by a hairline. Sigurado ako ito na hinihintay nilang. Sana may madali namang konting laro.
Covers. Koga. Lohera. Jumper is good.
That's his shot. Okay, now easy game for them. Good team basketball. Again, team basketball. Davao Occidental already with 12 assists.
Steal by Tumalip. Quickly to Lohera. Lohera will lay it in.
Again, one
go.
Pinoy step.
No go. James Martinez gets it to Lohera for another basket. Tian Andrada. James Martinez. Push shot. In and out. Baila underneath.
Reminding them that they need to adapt quickly as more teams are improving each game. His interesting advice ay kalimutan nyo na kung sino kayo sa dating liga dahil dito sa
entirely different world. Sa Delph, I spoke to a lot of new players here that I was able to work with. Yeah, they don't, parang wala pa eh. Pero I told them na, but you guys once adjusted, you're gonna enjoy the game.
Oo. Talaga eh, no? Your roles will change, your style of play will change.
It's always different. Every time you cover, it's always different. Even if this team lost big in their last game, okay, you know that they're gonna get.
Wala pa rin. Mancao quickly to James Martinez. Fires a 3. James Martinez.
And ito lang player na to ang hindi nagbabago.
J.R. Sumido. Three-pointer. Yes, sir.
Exposure that is being given to play for the Imos Agimat. It's a matter of time sa tingin ko. Siguro by next conference or maybe the middle of the conference. Since
tumagal ang career ni Kenneth Egalo sa PBA. Mga plays na ganyan.
Grabe yung impact eh. And again, Kenneth defensively.
Egalo eh.
Ako, Minsan nga hindi ko siya makilala kasi talaga alam mo yun, sanaya talaga ako na gano'n yung buhok niya. And yeah, this guy, Jason Mancao.
So, sana sinabi mo, oo, may JRU.
JRU. Sana, no? Pwede pa. Pag may ganyan, already had 8 points off the bench. 2 3-pointers.
Stingnell inside.
Mukhang itong game na to, Sedelf, lalagpas din ito ng 100 plus. Nandito pa lang tayo. We still have 1 minute 20 of 5 seconds.
Sumido, the runner is in. Si Boss Bong Baribar ng Davao, no? They want to use this game to really get everyone going. No? Kasi parehong dikit. Which has really shown glimpses of brilliance.
You know, Bacolod, if you look at them, para bang ang liliit. Pero that you were able to create a good team. Pero why is it na parang hirap na hirap kayong manalo? Pero right now, mukhang hindi sila hirap na hirap sumut. Alam mo yan, meron tayong obligasyon dun sa mga nanonood sa atin. Even though Davao is really playing well, they started like this, an assist from need to, alam mo yun, prove yourself na you're worthy of ng playing time na ibibigay ni Coach Mano Inigo.
Marco la the roll, Estabilio.
No let up still.
Oo, takbo ulit ang Davao Occidental Tigers. June Manzo.
Ay, yun ang maganda sa MPBL, Sedelf.
Oo.
Do kahit na medyo may pagka-slow motion yun, pero makikita mo yung physicality.
June Manzo scores on the break. So Mido with a runner, that's good. Lifting here.
Defense there by B-Boy Engyo.
Takbuhan ngayon ng Davao. Baila nakaiwas and he will score. Pick na punta kay June Manzo. Here's Manzo, waits for Olayon. Fouled, basket is good.
Gone back to the game. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Sid. And Dave Arana scores with nasa Coach Louie.
Again, he's happy here. So, alam mo na yung mangyayari. Talagang babalik at babalik and wanted to, doesn't win.
Ito, another three-pointer galing kay JR Sumido. Poga misses. Lohera tracks it down. Dave Arana for three. Yes!
And this young lucky break there for Kurt Loreha.
Sabilio with the putback. Sumido. One-hander is good para kay JR Sumido. Kamay ni JR Sumido. He's moving pretty well and he's also got that smooth.
Naglalaro to for the University of the East, one of the best scorer ng liga.
Oo. Gonzalan knocks down the three. 30 seconds remaining in the third. 97-48. Ighalo, three-pointer. That's good.
Stretch four to si Kenneth eh. Alam ko he played under Coach Tito, but yung mahabang career niya played
for Iloilo last year. James Martinez knocks down the 3 and 1.
Here, talagang pwede siyang maging specialist lang eh.
Inside, Estabilio gets the 2 points. Sumido will pull up. Jumper is money. It's an air ball. Inside they go. Wawi Kadir gets QC. Sumido for three. Oh! 32 points para kay JR Sumido. Nice pass, Kadir. Yes.
Just in the nick of
Martinez.
Great find by Mancao there. Ni Art de la Cruz no, sobrang efficient.
Tsaka ano, ang bilis ng release.
Oo.
Bilis na Luengo continues to score. He's up to double figures with Mancao with the rebound. Here come the Tigers. Martinez again. Makakabawi din ako. Number 1 commenter yan eh. Baila, layup is good.
And that's how we do it here. Jex Apinan and
Don
Reverente. Niloloko mo pa na after the incident, gusto nilang mag-appear, mag-high five. It's really na medyo kailangan pang mag-adapt in terms of play itong mga players nila.
Engyo all the way.
And knowing B-Boy,
Davao can go for the last shot here. And B-Boy Engyo.
not yet done. Itong si B-Boy Engyo.